Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in the kitchen again and I'll be preparing breakfast. So I'll be doing oats porridge and fried fried sweet potatoes. So this is what I'll be using. So the pot is on the fire with the water. I'm going to add the oats now. I'm not using any specific measurement. So I'm adding the oats to cold water. So I'm going to leave that and let it boil and start frying the sweet potatoes. So this is my frying pan. My parents has it since a long time, so that's why it look like this. So I'm just going to let the pan heat, and then I add some oil. So the potatoes are soaking in salt water to let it get a little flavor. And my parents always say use what you have, so this is what I have and this is what I'm going to use. I'm not going to go out of my way to do anything. Some people saying they can't use lasco to boil porridge, but that is what I saw my mother using. That's how I grow up and see. So me, I use it and it not do nothing to me. Wanna kill a fat, you know. So the pan is hot. I'm going to add some oil. This is some fry oil that is used already. I'm adding a piece of country pepper in there to fry because I like spicy food. The oil is almost hot. So I'm going to add the potatoes now. So I'm just going to let that fry until golden on one side. Then I flip it over. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you would like me to do. I'm going to mix out the lasco, and I'm using vanilla lasco. The cinnamon powder, and some mixed spice. This is for baking, but I'm going to put it in my porridge today. I'm going to mix it out and let it boil with the porridge. I don't like thin porridge, so this is why my porridge is thick. Going to check on the sweet potatoes. And I'm not going to cover my porridge pot because I don't want it to boil over and mess up the stove. Because I don't like clean up stove when things boil over for me. I'm going to sweeten the porridge now with some sugar. Not putting too much because my mother is diabetic. And I'm going to add a little salt. One thing I love with oats, it's easy to cook, it don't take long to cook, and it can be eaten raw. So if you're the home one day and feel hungry and you have oats in your pantry or your cupboard, you can just turn to it if you want something warm. So as I said, I'm not adding too much sugar, so I don't think I'm going to add any more. These potatoes they look ready, so I'm going to take them out. The paper towel finished, so I don't have anything to drain them on except for the plate. I have some vanilla here. I'm going to add it in the porridge. And I'm going to grate a piece of nutmeg in there. But I'm using one hand to hold the phone, so I'll have to pause and come back. I normally use almond essence in my porridge too, but it finished the other day when I was making cornmeal porridge and I don't get to go out because of this corona thing. So, as I said, I'm using what I have. Now go to my way. So the porridge is almost ready. And the planting, why am I talking about planting? One of my favorite planting. The potatoes are almost ready. I have a few more in the pan to fry. So I'm going to do that and get back to you when I'm finished. So mommy said she don't want no so. She said she don't want no so potatoes. So I'm going to cut up them here and fry it up with one sardine. So I'm going to use a Caribbean choice sardine. TV. So this is my breakfast. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.